Hello, my dear viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending upon whichever part of the world you are from. This is the Dukas Copy webinar, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Well, today's Thursday, I guess. Yes, yeah, it is Thursday, and I'm here right now in front of you. My name is Rakesh, and I'm a Dukas Copy's traders community member. Now you might be thinking, what is this traders community? Every time he's saying that there is a traders community. Okay, so it is a history. So earlier there was a Uducus copies traders community. People used to do competitions among each other. They used to play poker. So I was a member of that community. We used to play poker together. We used to do different type of competitions. But now it is very limited. Now people don't talk much, but still it is there. Okay. So do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Therefore, all the opinions or the trading ideas that I am going to discuss in this live stream are of my own. Well, what are we going to discuss here, guys? That is important. Well, in next 1 hour, we are going to see that what are the key levels of importance for the pairs, the major pairs, the gold, silver, Bitcoin, Brent, and all these things we will see. So whatever we see as an instrument on our chart, we'll try to find out the next key level of importance, so as to where price can go and from where we are expecting it to influx or reverse. Okay, so you can mark those areas on your charts for reference. And as a technical analyst, because we know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we will not talk about anything like news or fundamental in nature. We'll only focus ourselves on the charts, and also we will be using only candlestick charts for our analysis. Okay, now if you are new to the price action or technical analysis, I would request you, please go to this channel's homepage, then go to the playlist section and find the two playlists. One is profitable candlestick patterns. This is a playlist where I am discussing the patterns that are formed by single or two candlesticks. And then there is a profitable chart patterns playlist, where we have a playlist of multiple candlesticks chart patterns. And if you go through them, I have explained all the patterns there, how to identify the patterns, how to project the targets from the broken patterns or something. And it will really help you in understanding what we are talking about in this program if you go through them. Also, let me tell you that I will be taking the questions from the viewers in the end. So please ask questions in the chat. I will try to answer all the questions that have been asked. Please feel free to ask questions. Okay, one who asks questions, he only gets the knowledge. The one who doesn't ask question, he learns nothing. Okay, so please ask questions if you have any, and let me guide you through the process. Lastly, whatever I say in this live stream is not for you to open any trade. Okay, I may be saying sometimes keep your stop loss here, do this, do that, but that is not a trading advice. That is only for information. Okay, I'm talking to myself, so please do your own research before you put your money on the line, guys. Okay, with this said, let me take you through the standard disclaimer, and thereafter we will switch to the charts. Hello MGA, hello, welcome to the stream. Thank you very much for joining us. Like always, I appreciate your presence every day without fail. You are here every day without fail. I'm very thankful to you for your time that you have spent with me. Okay guys, let's look at the J Forex charts. Right now on your screen is the 4-hourly chart of the J Forex dollar index chart. Okay guys, so volumes I will remove. First let us see what is happening in the price action. Actually there is nothing new, to be frank. Only something which you are expecting, that is what is happening. Nothing new is happening here. Now what we were expecting is boom, boom. We were expecting lower prices here, and that is what is happening. Okay, the price broke lower, so we are expecting lower high to be formed here. Now here we were actually expecting it to be formed at 101.93, and well, this has not gone to that level, but it is giving us a bearish engulfing right now. So this has been the price action as of now, and before the price goes to 100.65, we are expecting a lower high to be formed. Now this may be a lower high, but it doesn't look like perfect, or it doesn't look like symmetrical, or we don't have any reason for the US dollar to fall from here, in spite there is a news and the dollar is having bad data, but still there's no reason. In fact, this high may provide some support now, and the price can reverse to the upside. So what I'm expecting here, guys, is if I'm very generous with this US dollar here, so something of this nature should happen, something like this should happen, and 101.93, this area should act as a good resistance and push the prices down. In any case, the price is now trading below 101.53. If it does not go up from here and breaks through this rising channel again to the downside, we will be expecting 100.65. And also see, this is just a speculative channel. We have no low to join here. We have just created this out of speculation that something like this will form. It has not formed yet, because I am expecting some support at this high here. That's why I have made it to this level. Okay, like this. So like this, something like this is possible here, but important levels for you to watch are 101.53 and 100.65 in this market. So what is euro doing? Let's check. So euro is trying to go again to test 1.0940 area. This is 1 hourly chart, but we are having a better picture when we switch to the okay, I will just remove it. I'll clone this so that we have a similar nature of line here. So you see, guys, what has happened. Now this was the previous market structure. Market structure was up. Okay, and these are the two levels in which the market was trying to consolidate. After consolidation, even now the price has only started uptrending structure in the shorter time frame, but still these high, no, wait, what I'm talking about here, why this market structure is shown like this? This is not the market structure. I'm sorry, guys. After making this low, the price made a high somewhere here, then it made a higher low here, higher high, higher low, higher high. So yes, after breaking this, the market structure was down, boom, boom. So I will just remove it now. Now from here, the market structure was down, up, down, up, down, up here or up here, whatever you can say. No, yeah, so these were the two levels. I got it. Sorry, guys, I had forgotten. Now those who are with me here, they know that this level here, I'll turn this into blue, maybe blue. Yeah, this level and this level was the deciding factor, 1.0515 and 1.0759. So when the price broke to the upside, we said, okay, now we have entered a bullish price structure, market structure, and now we are looking for the bullish price action. So this is 1.0713 provided support. So now I am just removing this again so that we know now. So now this is the important level on the way south. If the price goes down, then this is the market low that we want to see broken. And right now the market structure is bullish, that's all. And price, if it is able to break 1.0973, which is the recent high here, then I think 1.01032 will be exposed in this market. And right now it seems like this area of 1.0882 is acting as a support. Every time you see that the price is trying to approach this area, is being supported. So market is making higher high every time the price is going this area. So this here low is 1.0882 1.0845, and here it is 1.08858. so yes, the market is getting support at the lower prices or at around 1.0882 area. If it is able to give us a price above 1.0973, then 1.1032 will be exposed. So the next level to watch is 1.0973 on the upside and 1.0882 on the downside. Similarly, on the Great Britain pound, this area, this zone is looking like as if it is supporting the price right now against the US dollar. In this also, if the price is able to break actually higher than this falling channel, which I failed to create. Why did I not create this? I don't know. Okay. Okay, till the time I think this channel is holding, we can not be sure about the up moves, but as soon as this channel is broken to the upside, we should be looking for 1.2666 in the market. Okay, also this rising channel which has just broken, and then market if the price entered inside, then came outside, then again it is acting as a resistance. So this will also be a hindrance for the price to rise. So yes, your pound has stuck in a range, I will say small range. It needs to break out of this area, because this is a confluence of resistance. One is this resistance being provided by this channel, one is being provided by this channel. So there it might find some resistance before going up. So expect some huge resistance around 1.2500 area. Okay, but if it is able to clear that resistance, anything above 1.2500 will expose 1.2666 area, guys. Are you me in this one? Yes, on the way down, if it breaks below this low the price has recently created, because I think this is the lowest low that the price has created on the way down, then we will be looking for 1.2274 in case this level breaches. Okay, so keep all these things in your mind. Australian dollar, yesterday suddenly it started rising, but now it has failed us in that rise. So yesterday it was looking like it is going up, okay, on 5th of April, but today boom 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 again. So price dropped below this rising channel for some time, okay, intraday, like in the last 4 hours, but it has again come above this rising channel's support area. So I am not willing to sell this market. This market has got support from the two levels. One is this rising channel support, one is this falling channel support. So still I am bullish in this market because it is making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, till the time 0.6624 is holding, I am not selling this market. All right, guys. And also we have created this channel. Once this channel breaks to the upside, I'll be a buyer. Got it, guys? So 0.6783 area, this one here, here 0.6783 area, this is what I was looking for to break, and that area has broken here. After this setback to the lower side, the market structure you see on the 4 hour is down. As soon as the structure changes up and we see this channel breaking to the upside, I think we should turn buyers with the targets like these and thereafter like these. So there's a huge potential for the Australian dollar to go up, but yes, we need to clear this. We need to first change this bearish market structure to the bullish market structure. I hope you are with me in this one, at least. On the New Zealand, okay, so what are the levels? Immediate level on the upside is 0.6733. Actually this is no level now. Okay, forget it. I'm sorry that I have not updated my levels, guys. So you see, you need to see the recent levels only. So when the price was making higher high, it was the high. So when the price was making low, so this is the recent low. This is how you make it. Okay, so 0.6650 is the level which you don't want to break to the downside. If it breaks to the downside, 4 hourly will turn bearish. Okay, New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar making higher highs, then coming down to the low levels for the buyers to get another opportunity. Now see, this is the classic example of a hidden bullish divergence, I will tell you. So this is my RSI. You see, this is a low and this is another low that we are expecting. And you see the corresponding RSI in this one. Here the corresponding RSI was 48.44 and here the corresponding RSI is 42.69. So RSI has made another headroom downwards to make an up move, whereas the price has failed to make another low. So this is called a hidden bullish divergence. This means the RSI is suggesting I have more room to go up now. So it is saying, okay, you have more room, so I give you support here, you go up. But for this to be true, we need a bullish candlestick in the time frame that we are looking for in the RSI. Okay, so since this is a bullish candle, if it closes green, one can look for a buying above the high of this candle, this particular 4-hourly candle, with the targets of recent resistance 0.6273, thereafter 0.6364. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy it right now, but you can track it, you can do a paper trade on this if you are willing. Okay, for this the candle need to close and there is only 12 minutes to close this candle. That's why I'm saying you can keep a buy order above the high of this 4-hourly candle. MGA, especially you can just watch it what happens next. Okay, what now, where will be the stop loss? Yes, stop loss will be below the low of that candle, guys. That's it. USD JPY, why my charts are not loading? Okay, USD JPY is also stuck in two channels. One is this rising channel, it is providing support to the price, that is evident. Okay, the bullish pin bars on the 4-hour, very nice with the rising volumes. Oh, whoa, what has just come? Okay, this is the candle which had not formed and now it has just formed. So my charts are loaded properly now. So this bullish pin bar, there was a follow up, but on the upside there is some problem. Yeah, okay. Up, down. Well, it looks like that the price is trying to go up here because here the market structure has been broken. But you see, this structure has broken on the daily. I will show you that on daily the market structure has broken to the upside. Okay, so see, this was the market structure and here the high was broken, so the market structure has turned up. But we are looking for a higher low to be formed. For that we need to go higher than 133.75. So if you're looking for a buying opportunity, then buying at the current level with a small stop loss below and then targeting 133.75 is a good idea. But you see, problem is that on the lower time frame the market is still in the selling structure. Okay, so this is on the 4-hour, but no, on the 4-hour also it has turned the structure. The market structure has changed even on the 4-hour because the market has seen higher high than this swing high. But now this bearish pin bar is suggesting me that the price is going down. So is it going down to get another buying opportunity? Yeah, that is possible. Okay, guys, so what you can do is you can do something like this on the 15 minutes maybe. Okay, so there will be immediate sell off, you will see here. So yeah, there is a lot of sell off here. It looks like the price is just going down, but I think it will be very soon, it will be supported by buyers somewhere and push the prices up. So in case the price starts going up from here, you will be targeting 133.75 minimum. Why I say 133.75 minimum? Because this is the recent high that the price has made before making this pullback. So we are expecting a higher high than this. So this is the lowest hanging fruit that we must target. Okay, guys, so 133.75 is the immediate resistance and now the support is around 130.61. That's it, guys. USD CAD. Well, today there was a sudden rise, but thereafter after 1.3503 or 05 area there was a resistance and the price came back. But it has also failed to go below the low of this candle, which is around 1.3458. This is 1-hourly candle, guys, I'm talking about. Bear this thing in mind. So the price is making higher highs and higher lows in this one also. But believe me, I am looking for a break of this candle's low. Why I am saying this, I will let you know now. I'm looking for a break of 1.3457 in this market very soon, maybe today or maybe tomorrow. Why? We had a very bad data from the US. We had a very good data from the Canada. So the price should go below the previously traded levels, and it has not gone below the previously traded levels. Now the data had come 4 hours before. After that the market is only rising, whereas it should have been gone below. So I am suspecting, now I'm just suspecting that this area is where the sellers are building up their positions. Now MGA might be thinking what I'm talking about. So my friend MGA, I'm talking about building up of short positions in this range. Okay, in this range. Why I'm saying so, I will explain you. Now you look at this. Do you see this candle? Because when the data got released, I was looking at USD that's why I can explain that. So the price was trading somewhere here at 1.3483 area. It went down to the low of 1.3458 and then suddenly it started rising. So the data was in such a manner that the US dollar should fall and Canadian dollar should rise. So it should go boom, 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 boom like this. But no, it went higher to 1.3505 and then it started going lower. So that means if I'm say a very big bank, let us just dissect the price action here. If I'm a very big seller or I'm looking for an opportunity in this market, so I'll be looking to sell the market not at 1.3457. I will be looking for the price to sell at the higher prices, right? So that's why when the price came here, I became a seller, whereas I could have waited for 1.3515. But if I would have waited for 1.3515, then everybody who was buying here, he would have shorted here, like closed his positions here, because everybody is watching this level. Like Rakesh is watching this level, so everybody else must also be watching this level. This is an important level to watch. Okay, so what he did is he utilized this area, like when there was a breakout from these recent highs, this candlestick, he used this opportunity. Okay, people are buying, I will sell. He sold short and pushed the price in 15 minutes like this. Now when the price comes in 15 minutes like this, there gets created a fair value gap. Now I will show you what is the fair value gap. If you are following ICT also, you must know already. Okay, so this is called a fair value gap. Whenever the price enters in this fair value gap, it gets rejected like this. So this is my reason to believe that somebody is building up huge positions here and is ready to push the markets lower. Now when the market starts going lower than 1.3457, I believe that it will last for a very long time. Very long time, I mean maybe a week or two. Okay, so what I'm suspecting here is that he knows, okay, that okay, this market structure has broken here and the price has started, and given actually a close below 1.3457, this was the area of importance, not here actually, this was the area of importance, 1.3515 was the area of importance. So he has already or they have, if it's a group, they have already made out that now we are looking for selling opportunity. Okay, so if they're looking for a selling opportunity, I think this is a very good scenario on the intraday in the 15 minutes. When you see a breakout on the relatively equal highs, then you sell it short, push all the price down in 1 or 2 15 minutes candles. When there is a fair value gap, you know, okay, where the price has not been done correctly, then you again go there, sell it short again. Now look at the volumes at these candles, guys. Look at the volume at this candle. Okay, they don't let you judge what is happening. So this is a stealth move. Okay, I don't want to speculate it more, but you know, you got the idea, right? Somebody is trying to push the prices down, and if it is right, he will not let this channel to break. That's it. That's it, guys. All I want to say. Okay, and if this channel breaks on the upside, my speculation doesn't hold good. All right, so that's it from me on the 4 hour. Let me switch to the 4 hour. So what I'm suspecting is this rising channel to break to the downside, and 1.32616 is what I will be expecting in this market very soon. Okay, on the higher side we have a very good resistance at 1.3515 area. USD CHF, well, if the US dollar is falling after a bullish pin bar against the Swiss franc, why it will rise against the Canadian dollar? Well, that is another question. But you see here, we have a support around 0.8970 area. So look for that to act as a support and a bounce towards 0.9070 area maybe. Now we have failed to enter this market because it did not reach our area of resistance, which we were expecting, like 0.9370. So sometimes this happens, guys. Sometimes this happens. We don't get the opportunity to go short. It's okay. Just enjoy this price action to the downside. After the price broke through actually this small churning effect from this small range, that is the time when actually it started moving. Okay, and here all the time I was saying you do not enter this market, do not enter this market, because it is not moving, and this has started moving day before yesterday, and the movement is real. Expect 0.98970 area to act as a support in this market. On the higher side, we will be finding 0.9070 as the good resistance if the price starts rising from here. What about the silver? Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. So who is with me in the silver, guys? This is an area of support. Okay, 2454 to 2481 was supposed to be support, and on the bigger time frame, actually 26 is what we are expecting in this market, guys. So this is a bullish pin bar. Wow, there's a bullish pin bar at the support area. So what is next in this market? What do you think? If somebody is not ready to sell this market, if somebody is selling this market and somebody is buying this market immediately with high volumes, then what do you expect next? That is my question to the chat. Come on, guys, answer me. I'm long at the silver. Good for you. Good for you, MG. Target 26.21, guys. Let's go. MG, I'm sharing my my bank details with you soon. Okay, let the silver flow. All right, guys. So 26.21 is the area which you should be targeting, guys. All right. Good. After a long time, at least you have got the right consultation. But keep a stop loss below 24.54, my friend, in this market. Okay, you should always trade with the stops. All right, nothing else. 24.54 on the low side and 26.21 on the high side is the resistance. Similarly for gold, I think gold is trying to find some support. As of now, it is not able to find some support, but it is looking for finding a support. I think this broken symmetrical triangle should act as a good support if the price finds it here, but that is going deeper day by day, so maybe it will reverse before that. Maybe this high or maybe this high, because this high has not provided support, so this high here around 2003 may be providing some support. I don't know, but maybe even this high is 2009. So yeah, price is trying to find some support in the gold, but believe me that when the price finds a support and breaks out of this falling channel, you will find that the gold is going directly towards 2175, sorry, 213. Yeah, it was what, 2135, 2175, 2135, right? 2135 is what we are expecting in this market, guys. 4 hourly candle, which is almost like a bullish bar, not the bullish pin bar, but a pin bar, has been made, and expect the price to rise from here very briskly towards 2135. That is what I'm targeting, 2135, not 2070, 2135. Okay, that's it, guys. There's very low chance of the gold going down from here, very low chance, because whenever the gold goes down, it is being bought back immediately. You see here Brent is in difficult situation. It is trying to rise, but it has a gap to fill. Brent is trying to rise, but it has a gap to fill. So this is the gap. This is the gap that Brent has to fill, guys. Till the time this gap is not filled, I'm not so sure about this market. But the last 4 hourly candle, there was huge transactions. See the volumes. Wow, the volumes were like 7.5534 millions, I think. I don't know, but whatever. Okay, so there's no pattern here, so I will say that 84.27 is still the support and 86.91 is still the resistance. So till the time there doesn't form any pattern, I think I will stay away from this market maybe. Do not be buying or selling just because it looks good. Okay, it should have some meaning. US dollar against the South African rand. Well, you might be thinking what I'm doing here on 15 minutes in this market, right? I was long in this market today, but we have met the resistance intraday around 18.24. So yes, that's why the price is trying to go down from here. All right, we were actually expecting a resistance at 18.0385, but that level did not act as a resistance yesterday and today. Okay, yesterday there was a clean close above that level, so the next level that was exposed was 18.2416. We have achieved those targets, booked out profits, we are out of the market and happy about it. So what you can expect now, actually you can expect the price to again come back to 18.0385 to test this level as a fresh support and then push again towards these highs. Actually now I should put it like this: 18.3199 is the resistance that the price has created today. Okay, so what you can expect, right, on 1 hour or maybe on 4 hour, whatever you want to make, you can make something like this. Okay, this is a speculative channel because I don't have another high here formed. Whenever I see a high, I will keep this dot on that high. Okay, so my channel will be formed as per that, but my speculation is that the price will go down like this for some time. Then when it meets this area of 18.0385, which is the previous resistance, and now I am expecting this to act as a support. Also it is higher than these lows that the price has made, so it becomes a perfect reason for the buyers to enter again with the targets of 18.3199 on the first hand and later on 18.7165 on the second run. Okay, so this makes a lot of sense. So you keep an eye on these two levels, 18.3199 and 18.0385 on your charts. Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is still struggling to find some good support, and a run above 29,139 is expected. Because if there would have been a run possible to the downside, that would have already happened. No, because the price is trading at the highest of the range. See on the daily, where is Bitcoin trading? Bitcoin is trading at very high price. Now if somebody would have to sell this market, he would have already done this. He is trying to say pinch this ceiling again and again, boom 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 boom, and eventually I think he will break it. Now when I'm saying he may be a plural with the multiple guys of the similar intentions, like buying the Bitcoin and pushing it higher. Okay, so expect the price to break from this triangle anytime soon. This is the triangle that I'm talking about, and I will do a different color for this triangle so that it is visible. So this is the triangle that I'm talking about. So expect some buying to emerge soon and 29,139 to break. On the lower side we have 25,207 as the support. On the higher side we have 29,139 as the resistance. After this resistance I will be expecting 32,417 to be tested, so I will mention it here now. So let us see how the things unfold, okay, in the future. But these are the two levels of importance right now. Euro JPY. Well, Euro JPY is behaving good right now. It is trying to break this falling channel, but this falling channel does not exist now because the channel has become like this now. Okay, but let us remove this channel. The price is not moving in the channel, actually it is moving in broken support and resistance type of structure. Now the market structure is bearish right now on the 4 hourly, and we are actually expecting now a lower high in at least 4 hourly here. Okay, so let me check what is happening on the daily, because the price tends to align itself with the daily chart. So on the daily, the market structure here was down till here, then it finally turned up here, then it made a higher low here and a higher high here. Okay, so we are expecting a higher low to be formed here. So I'll just remove this channel here, guys. I'll remove even this channel, and I will remove this. So we are expecting a lower high to be formed and the price to go upside. Okay, that is what we are expecting. So we are expecting the price to turn bullish again. So since the price is bearish here, So we will be looking for the price to turn bullish, and that will happen when the price breaks through this high, and this high is 145.43. This is on the 4-hour. Let us check on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, time frame, the price was making lower highs, lower lows here. Then it turned bullish for some time, made higher highs, higher lows. Then eventually it break lower than this low and turned bearish again with this type of market structure here. And then on 1 hour it turned bullish again after breaking this high, and now is bullish. Okay guys, so on 1 hour it is bullish, on 4 hour it is bearish. So we are expecting higher low to be formed in this market, at least on the 4 hour. Sorry, on the 4 hour it is bearish. So yeah, 1 hour it is bullish. So yes, 1 hour has turned bullish. Expect this 145.43 to be tested soon, and if that level is tested and the price trades above that, then this 4 hour market structure will also break and the price will align itself in the bullish direction. Okay, that's it. So now the levels that you have to watch are, on the lower side we have 142.54, on the high side we have 145.43. Forget the rest of the levels. These are the two important levels. Okay, Euro GBP, stay away from this market. It is going nowhere. There is no point in talking about it. USA 500 4078 was the resistance, but the price is trying to play with that level. So now after the price broke higher than this, we said we will be looking for a buying opportunity. Boom, boom, the structure, this channel broke to the upside. Now there is no resistance, only this small resistance. Okay, I will remove everything from here so that you have a clear picture. Even this one, even this one. So you see now the price has no resistance, guys, only this level, and I will turn this to like this. So this is the only resistance. Look for a buying opportunity, we have already mentioned. And this bullish engulfing on the 4 hour is a valid signal on the support, because this was a huge resistance 4078. Now it has turned into a support. If you are looking for a buying opportunity, then higher than this previous candle is your buying buy stop order. Stop loss below this candle, and you should be targeting first fruit, that is 4141. The second fruit is 4195. This is how I will be trading this market. I am placing a trade right in front of you. So what is the high? 410389. Buy stop, buy bid 410402. Nothing much, only one contract. Where should be my stop loss, guys? My stop loss should be below the low of this candle. Okay, what is the low of this candle? 406916. So I'll keep it at stop loss 4068. Okay, what should be my take profit? 4141, guys. 4141. That's it. Submit. Let's go. Got it? So this is my execution. I have a stop order above this. It will be executed as soon as we go higher than this. This will be our take profit. This will be our stop loss. It has no risk to reward ratio aligned with it. Okay, this is just for in case we want to track this market. This is not how you should be trading. You should be looking at it like this. Okay, this is my stop loss. How much is my stop loss if I buy here? My stop loss is 3631 points. My potential take profit should be minimum 3 times of it. So 36 into 3, what is it? Is it more than that? No. So I will not be opening a trade here. Okay guys, this is just to keep a track of the trade. Okay, what happened next? All right guys, so the euro already, what is happening here? Well, the euro is going up down up down up down up down against the Australian dollar. Well, we are expecting a down move actually in this market. Price may reverse from 1.6224. No, it did not reverse. In fact, it has started going higher. Okay, I'll remove everything, but on daily it has reversed for some time from here. 1.6313. We saw a pin bar here, but now it is trying to go higher. Then 1.6435 is the area I think where we should be looking for a selling opportunity. Why? Because this was a what do you call it, swing high, which sent the price all the way below 1.45. So this is a very, very important pivot, or I will say very, very important swing high. If the price goes to test this area, I think we will see a lot of sellers jump in here to push the prices back towards 1.6313 area. Okay, so keep a sharp eye on this level. Support is 1.6313. Ethereum. Yesterday Ethereum had a breakout to the upside, and it is still trying to find some support, not on the channel's resistance line, but now on the horizontal level of 1855. Now my projection is Ethereum is going to moon, and I'm still with this projection. Also, if on 1 hour you draw a falling channel, you will realize that that channel is about to break or has already broken. Boom, boom. Do you see this? This channel is already broken. The price is giving us green candles. That means there is a possibility of rise anytime soon. All right, guys. 1855 is the support, not 1855 exactly, but 1852.8 is the support here on the Dukascopy chart. And on the higher side, I think we should be targeting 2028 minimum in the Ethereum. All right, guys. CAD JPY. Who remembers 97.11? Tell me. I need to know from my chat. I believe that MJ is not the only one here who was there from the yesterday's chat. Please answer some questions if you want to stay with me. I mean, of course, you can always stay with me without my permissions even. But still, if you are answering the questions, I think it will be even better. So this is the last pair we are discussing, but I must know that you are learning also. Okay. So 97.17 is what you are expecting to act as a good support, because this was the previous resistance and also the swing pivot, and this downswing pivot has been broken. So now we were expecting it to act as a support. It has already pushed the prices like 70 points away from it, 70 points away from 75 points away from it, more or less. Yes. So yes, we were expecting this. Do you believe that if you are expecting something like this, you can make money every day? Do you believe that if you buy here, you keep a small stop loss here, and you can actually make 3 or 4 times of whatever risk that you have taken? Just asking simple questions, guys. You can answer. Okay. But sometimes the price tends to go even 10 to 20 pips deep from here. So what you can do is, if you are looking to trade in the direction of the trend, which is a buy direction, of course, you are looking for a buy entry, right? And if you buy here, you keep a stop loss like 20 pips, say, or 30 pips even. You have a target of 90 pips like here. Okay, so this satisfies, because this is the previous high that you are targeting, and it aligns yourself with the at the 90 pips. So you can always keep a 30 pip stop loss here. Now 30 pip is a huge stop loss, still 96.82, but the price did not even make 5 pips move lower than that, 97.11. So our levels are precise. Try to learn how to use these levels to your advantage, and sometimes you will get more than 1:5, 1:6 risk to reward ratio, and that is all we want to be a winner. We want a better reward to risk ratio, so that we can sustain the 1 or 2 losses even in the longer run. Okay, so what about USA Tech, guys? USA Tech, I need not to say anything when you look at this chart. My friend MGA might be not be surprised, but the others must be surprised that 12,867 is what I am expecting to be a support when the price was trading here at 13,168 area. This is the area from where I am shouting that 12,867 is supposed to be your support, and this is what I am talking about. If you buy here with a small stop loss below, and you target the previous high, which in this case is like 13,224, you are getting your first target. Okay, but I'm saying this is the minimum that you should be targeting. Okay, because we are expecting 13,723 to be tested in this market, and that is huge. Okay, if you are say keeping a stop loss of about say 15,000 points, you have a potential target of 75 points, 75,000 points. So it's like 1:5 risk to reward ratio. Okay guys, I hope that it makes some sense to you. Now from here, USA Tech seems like it is going towards 13,224 first. If it is able to breach that, then I will be targeting 13,723. On the contrary, if it starts going lower and breaks below now this level of 12,842, then I think 12,515 will be exposed in this market. But that is not a go for selling this market. Okay, you can sell this market only and only below 12,515. All right guys, that's all from my side today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the chat. I don't see any questions in the chat, so I expect you don't have any questions, right? But still I'm waiting. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I will be answering your questions right now. And if there's no question, then I will try to conclude this webinar in like 1 or 2 minutes. So I suppose there is no more question. Okay, so yeah, I hope you have now the knowledge of the next levels of support and resistance, which are key to your trading. Okay, please keep in mind to risk less than 1% of your entire equity on a single trade. Do not take a trade if you have a potential of making less than 3 times whatever you're risking. Okay, do not enter that trade. That trade is not worth the risk. Okay, so with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. See you tomorrow at 16:30 GMT. Do touch base with me on the Skype if you want to, and my Bulls and Bears is my another channel. If you want, you can subscribe that too. And please subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.